On about nonsense. Hang on, babes. Let me plug in my phone. Oh my goodness, I gotta go pee. My back is starting to hurt. Okay, so I got my charger. Got my backup charger here. And I need to pull the other end of it out though. That's what I'm looking for. But I unplugged it when I... Here it is. Okay, I got it. All right, so I'm taking my mic off, guys. Might be better without the mic. Hopefully my battery pack is gonna work. So far it's not working. Oh, there we go. Okay, charging, we're good. All right. What do you think, Taz? You ready to go home? It's cold out here, huh? We're heading back now. We're gonna head back to the car, babes. Okay? All right, battery's charging. Okay, we're gonna walk along the shoreline. See if I can find any cool shells. The last minute. Let me turn my phone around so you guys say hi to you guys. So we're at the San Diego Dog Beach, Ocean Beach, San Diego, California. Me and Taz are here trying to get in some last dog beach days before winter comes, which usually doesn't hit until December, January in San Diego, but it's a little bit cold today. Probably 68 degrees. That's not freezing. That's not unbearable. And I do have a tank top on and a very thin sports jacket. I have exercise pants and water shoes. So we are wet, but anyway, there's the shore. Ooh, the sand is sinking. This is shoreline. My hair looks like crap. Anyway, I'm gonna put it back to the dog. All right, here we go. The waves aren't as big as they were yesterday. We had some big crashing waves. Although it was later in the day. It was like around 5:30 when the waves were crashing down. All right, Taz, let's go. We're gonna go home, babes. Come on, let's go. Bye-bye. Let's go back to the car. We're gonna go get some chicken. Oh God, my microphone just went in the water. All right, I gotta be careful. Another pretty little shell. Whew. Yeah, there's a lot of holes out here, like this one right here. If I didn't see this, like, that would have lurched my back for sure. Oh, my dog's found another dog friend. You find a friend, Taz? You find a friendlies? You want to swim with the doggies? You're chasing his volleyball, huh? There we go. Are you finding some friends? Afraid I'm going to lose my headphones. I had to take them off because my battery was dying. Spinal Tap. Is that a scary movie? Or is that, oh, Spinal Tap for like your back? Yes, I have gotten those. I've gotten epidurals on my back. I can't get them anymore because I've had too many of them. and they make your bones corrode. Part of the reason why